those of you who are fans of remote-controlled helicopters, planes, vehicles of whatever kind, often not that small remote-controlled helicopters are used to spray the rice fields. He's got a dream job. He gets to fly a remote control helicopter as work. You got the operator there and a spotter over there and a pretty bloody expensive remote control helicopter over there. I can see spray tanks and what looks like cameras or some kind of sensors. This is not your average hobbyist's remote control helicopter. I see that a couple times a year. I still don't get tired of it though.